Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to connect Codex AI agent with Unreal Engine 5.8 using MCP server. As you can see, it works fine. There is connection Unreal MCP server, and this is the result. I tell it this codex to tell me how many meshes and the Unreal Engine page the scene, and the result is here the same 55 static meshes. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, let's open the editor. Okay, go to new project, go gamers, select this version as template and hit project name as you want and hit create. To connect Codex with the Unreal Engine 5.8 final version using MCP server, you can follow this guideline. You can get it on the link on the description. Okay, first step is to make this one. Okay, let's search for MCP. Let's go here. First step, go to plugin, search for MCP, enable first one and the second one. Okay, after that, let's search another plugin, search for API and go down. Remote control API. Enable this one, and after that, restart now. Okay, close this plugin, and we have now some commands we have to add here in the CMD. Okay, let's copy it one by one. Okay, let's go here to step 2. Before going to step 2, we have to look at this. How to do that? We have to go here to edit, editor preferences, search for MCP. Okay, find servers URL path. This one is good. And go down here, model context protocol. This is the 8 miles, sorry, port is the same here from the local host. Auto start server, yes. Now, let's move to the next step. Step 2, start the server. How to do that? First, we have to go here to command console and copy those. First one, copy and paste it here. Press enter. Okay, second one. Copy this. Third one. Copy and paste. Fourth one. Copy and paste. We have to follow the same steps. Copy this one here. Okay. Okay, after copying this step 2 is done. Let's move to step 3. Generate the AI client config. To do that, we have to go here, array command, this will run this command for VS Code. You have to run this command. Copy. Paste. Okay. For everything else, okay, you must go here. Copy and paste this command. Else, and hit enter. Okay, now let's move to step 4. We have to launch the VS Code. Okay, we have to go to my UI project. House that we have first to participate. Minimize this one and go here to VS Code. Open it. Why it's not? Let's make it here. Make it like this. Now, first thing first, you have to go here. Before you do anything, we have to sign in. You have to use your GitHub account or your Google account. For me, I want to choose Google. Okay, this account I think is fine. Okay, good. Now, let's move to the next step, is to go here. Click this icon, open folder. Go to Documents, the Unreal Engine Products. Open My Project. The UE project, it's not shown here because we are in VS Code. Manually, you can show it like this, the same one. Okay, close this and select folder. As you can see, the VS Code, it's created another folder called point VS Code. Okay, let's move to next step. Okay, as you can see, the same thing. The folder is alive, as you can see. Now open the command palette and Control plus Shift plus P. Okay, go to your core keyboard, Control plus P plus Shift plus P. Okay, Control Shift P. Search for MCP. Okay, when you choose MCP, you can go to all of those. You have to go here and search for our MCP server, MCP list servers. Okay, Unreal MCP has been stopped. Okay, have to click right there, start server, and the connection with the MCP server of the Unreal Engine is established. And now, let's move to the next step. Okay, locate MCP, stop button, start server. We have done with this step. Okay, I think it's done. The connection between the Unreal Engine and VS Code with the MCP. Okay, now let's move to the next step, is to add codecs. How to do that? I have to go here to extension and search here for codecs. As you can see, this is my codecs, OpenAI's coding agent, and hit install. Okay, as you can see, the installation of codecs is done. When the installation is done, you can get here. Now, okay, codecs new ID, next. Okay, try GPT 5.5. Okay, the full permission. I want to set full permission. Continue with. For us, is low reasoning. And let's see. Okay. Okay, this is my interface of the Unreal Engine. This actors, meshes. Okay, I want to tell Codex to tell me how many meshes here. And this scene. Okay, space. Using the Unreal MCP, this is the name of the plugin. Tell me how many static meshes actor in this level. And hit send. And let's see how it works. Let's start thinking right now. Okay, variable session. Okay, fine, it's done. There are 55 mesh actors in the current scene. It takes around 6 minutes. 25 seconds to do that. That's a lot for this model. I don't recommend this model because it's low on time. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This is all for this tutorial.